Yeah, so bored.
Yeah, me too.
I got an idea.
That's a very good idea. Okay, let's do it.
Take the papers. One paper for you, and this is for me. That one is for you because you draw. But this is mother draw.
Some red flowers.
This one is sticky, but this one.
And the others are rainbow. Oh, there's some beads in it.
Oh yeah,
It's cool.
those are not beans. Yeah. I have more beans. I'll take the Oh no, it's at all.
And a spoon.
I need
We
paper.
need some paper circles and some black circles.
Oh.
It's rich form boys.
And these are
Circles.
Yeah, paper rainbow balls.
Paper circles. Okay, let's get started.
But we still didn't go to our tank for that.
We don't need that.
Yeah, those are for different.
Okay. Now let's get started.
Okay, first let's put the flowers.
Yes, no.
That's sticky. Well,
Take these pieces off for you.
okay, thank you. Thank you.
Paper.
I have first started these flowers.
Okay.
This looks so beautiful.
These are real flowers. Wait, it looks like ice cream. So hard. Yeah. Perfectly. These look like earrings.
Those are earrings. Those called earrings. No, I didn't say why for you. I said why because my hands stick for everything.
I don't care. I don't care.
I'll take some different flowers this time.
Oh, got some red flowers here. They're good.
But I don't like grass. I put.
You can put them. No, yes. Or is it a girl? I don't know.
That's a boy. Yeah, that's a girl. That's a girl. That's a girl. Because that guy has a flowers, 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 flowers.
Boys like flowers too. Not only flower paradise. Now, for some mustard seeds. I'm going to do some mustard seeds. Big brush. Okay. Take some glue. Put it on here. Curly, curly, curly. Mustard seeds.
That
And we stained it.
It's okay.
Wow.
Mistakes happen. Grandmother.
Yeah, it's so cool.
Yeah, I'm a big mommy.
So, that one looks cool actually. My one's the best.
Yeah, mine also. But not just like. Can you
See?
give me the blue?
Slide. Oh! The slide mistake.
Oh my god!
need the bucket. Can't you hear?
That's not the bucket. That's a
Something,
jar.
something.
That's a jar.
Here you cut from school, not from the barber. Right? Oh, that's too much. I'm going to use some. Oh, wait. Slow. Yeah, we can clean it up later. Yeah. Oh, not forever. Okay. My guy's hair is good. Well, I can cut some of these pieces.
Yeah, you can.
Now it looks like I don't know. It looks like me wearing glasses.
Yeah, you also have glasses. Maybe you just draw you.
Yeah, I don't know. Okay, I'm going to put a leaf. Oh, you're going to no. Let's make another one. There's too much of these.
Okay,
I forgot. I told you to close this.
I have one.
Wait, I'm making one of those.
Wow.
You copied me.
No.
Copycat. I guess.
I guess I'll put some surface.
Oh, wait. Everything will fall down. It's very dangerous. Why is this girl looking at this guy?
What car? His boyfriend and girlfriend.
What the hell? Wait, no. Just keep it one by
I
one.
can't take it with my hands.
Yes, you do what you want.
Yeah, I can
It's
do
a
it.
this one or this? Any, miny, mo. Who will get the paper circle? This guy. I don't know how to play any, miny, mo.
Eeny, meeny, miny, mo. Who will I put circles?
So satisfying.
Ah!
It's okay. You can brush it.
Look! My man is a circle. I just like mustache.
Like sprinkles. There are sprinkles. How am I going to clean this up?
I don't know. Because you are weird, bro. Hey, what are you doing here?
No, oh no! All of these fell down.
I'm a real artist.
My art is better than yours. My one's the best.
All of us are the best.
Let's ask our friends.
Okay.
Whose one is the best? If my one's the best, subscribe. If yours the best, like.
But both of us best?
Hit the bell icon or share the video. Anything you like.
Or do everything. Right?
Oh my god, he doesn't have hair.
Yes.
This guy's crazy. He's crazy. Okay, now only for. This guy looks scary. Let's put something on his face.
I told you it was not grass.
Bruh. Is that an old man?
Yo.
Look at this guy's mustache.
It's look like my father. When he's. It's like my brother's here.
Okay. I just had to break some paper like this. And and do some more. And I'm going to make a mustache for this guy. Bro, this guy doesn't have a nose.
That guy has only a mustache.
His mustache is bigger than his nose. Or face.
Yeah. I just did it, but then I can open this either.
What?
This wall.
What? No, that's enough. Where's the spoon and get this stuff out?
You're making it worse.
Don't! You're messing it up. No. Not this. You're messing. Don't waste stuff like this, Leora. See, it's all around. Almost too much. Attack.
I'm so mad.
Why? It's your fault. I told you to use little.
No.
Squeeze these so these will stick fast.
I'm painting a man with the glue. Another. Oh, here's this.
Look at this. I like the guy with the. Let's think of somebody. Ta-da. I think my favorite one is this guy. Oh, this guy over here. Those both have curly hair. I like that. But these both have to have some haircuts. And this guy too. Right. But they're sticking all around.
So, do I care? I'm a clown. That's why there's a rainbow here.
This. No, I have a nose. Yeah, this guy has a nose, but it's closed, but it's okay. Yeah, that's it.
Yeah. Yeah.
Now you have to. No, that's enough. That's enough.
No way.
This guy is going to take forever. Yeah, something. I don't care.
This guy don't have a nose that means. No!
Just hold it from the sides. Okay, now it's stuck.
Wait.
That's enough. That's enough.
No.
Peace.
Who do you like the best? This guy or 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 this guy? A lot, but if you only like one, just tell me.
Yeah.
If you only like one, subscribe, and if you like three,
My one is beautiful, I guess.
I think yours is beautiful. But
Yeah.
But you think mine is beautiful also?
Yeah. I
What?
think everything is beautiful.
Yeah, all of our ones are
Yours
If you like 3, subscribe, and if you like 1, just comment down below, and if you like 2, not subscribe,
Okay.
with the bell button.
Okay, our video is done from here, and we will meet you guys in another project.
Bye.
Bye. I'll meet you guys in another project.